Hi, I'm Callum. I'm Senior Project Engineer with BMD, looking after the structures, and this is our site. We're upgrading the intersection by removing the existing roundabout, installing traffic signals to make it safer, as well as installing a loop ramp around underneath the bridge and upgrading the existing off-ramp so that we can take traffic off the freeway quicker. When our work is done here, this will be a sawnail wall and this will be a loop ramp taking traffic off the freeway.